Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Uninterrupted ocean views from select locations. Walking distance to the popular Pedro and Bull Bay beaches makes this 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom villa a must-see. It sits on a combo lot a little over half acre or 22,932 square feet. It can be yours today with a few personalized updates to make it unique to you. The possibilities are endless. Guys, let's take a quick look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this villa is US 760,000 or Jamaican $116.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.